All right, Mr. Cohen, what do we got going on here?
Well, so I'm going to be doing Creative Chef and I'm making water cookies.
What are water cookies?
Well, those cookies that have 4 cups of water in it and you just put random stuff in it.
Random stuff like what?
I don't know, I'll just make it up.
Okay, so what's your first step?
Well, you gotta get these mixing bowls because they're important.
Mm-hmm.
Let's just get a piece of toast from here.
Toast in the toaster, toasting.
And then flour.
Got flour coming.
Yeah. Let's put about that much in. There you go.
Sorry, I got flour all over you.
Half a teaspoon of sugar. Open up this banana. Like squish it up. Squish it up with the sugar.
Okay, yeah, you did a good number on that.
Oh, there's the toast.
Toast popped.
Crank it up like that. Like put it in there.
Okay. Interesting.
Yep. All right, we need the butter so we can make it be good. That's all we've got, so we'll just like put it like that.
Banana, meat, butter.
So we need the most important part. Let me just find it. Oh, there it is. 1 cup. 2 cups. 3 cups. 4 cups. Next, you need to mix it in. Oh no, this isn't good. There we go. So you need to put like carrots and cucumbers and all that jazz.
Okay.
Carrots in. Just a carrot. Okay. Evenly sized cucumbers. Let's put it in with this stuff. What is he making? Once you're done putting the butter, the banana, the water, the carrots, the cucumbers, the yogurt, the bread, and the flour together, and the sugar, you need to dump in this stuff to this bowl. Oh, it smells disgusting. So one of our final ingredients is a granola bar. Crush it up in there, make it look nice. There we go. Honestly, this is looking like something. This could be like in like Chopped, like that TV show. I'd be famous. Oh, I think it was a bit of a banana. Put that bit on. Oh, there was another. Oh, cucumber. Oh, there goes a carrot. Oopsies. Yo, this is looking good. These are really looking like pancakes.
So, time for the taste test.
Yeah.
Let's,
Well, I need to add the last. This is the best part. You gotta like the Frank's Red Hot Sauce, sponsored by me. Gotta put that all over the top of it. Let's try a bit of this. Get some of that in there.